All right, so this is the toilet for the boat. It's a Raritan pH Super Flush household style bowl. And this is what it looks like inside. I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube for this, and it's upside down right now, but the main reason why I wanted to get this right now is so that I could actually see what the width is from over here to over here, so that when I'm building it I can make sure that it's going to fit inside the hull of the boat. And kind of have an idea of where the plumbing needs to go and so on. There's nothing like actually holding a part in your hand to know how it's going to fit. So you can see all the dimensions online, but I think it's well worth actually getting a part that you intend to install and trying it out and in this case designing around it. So that is the head. And we can move on a little bit here to the epoxy. This is about 4.5 gallons of epoxy with some of the hardener. This is the West system from West Marine. And then I got the various additives that go with it that will change its qualities, thicken it, make it more sandable, things like that, depending on which additive is added to it. I got the 206, which is the slow hardener, because, well, it's a little bit hot here in Texas, and I probably should get the ultra slow hardener because the temperatures here are usually well into the 90s, so I might even need the super slow hardener just to get the working time up to something where I can actually do something with it. The other thing is that I'm not storing this in the garage. I just brought this out right here so I can put it in the video and show you. But from what I understand, you don't want to store this above 90 degrees or you can ruin your epoxy. And you don't want to do that because, this 4.5 gallons of the resin right here, what was that? I think that was like $400 and maybe even more. And the hardener, it was about $100 for that hardener. So we're looking at $500 to $600 right here in just the epoxy. So I'm storing this in the house where the temperatures are air conditioned and maintained quite a bit more. So that I think will be all. So this is a kind of a quick overview of the epoxy and the Raritan pH Super Flush toilet. Oh, I should mention this is a manual flush, so I went with that instead of the electric flush for the toilet. All right, that's all. Bye.